Hello everyone, thanks for clicking on the video, and if you've been here before, then welcome to the channel. Usually I do power sports videos, dirt bikes, quads, and three-wheelers, but today I figured I'd throw together a video of my Suzuki collection. So here's the parts rig I've been working with, slowly stealing parts off that, and these are the three main vehicles we have going now. On your right, we have more of a stock Suzuki Samurai. There is no lift. It's sitting on slightly bigger mud tires, but besides that, it's mostly a stock truck. Very little done to that one. Probably going to keep it that way for a while. To the left of that, we have a more modified Samurai. This is lifted 10 inches on 35-inch tires. It has YJ springs with a spring over axle conversion. It has a bunch of armor, lockers. It's re-geared. It has a roll cage and a bunch of other goodies done to that. I'll show you more in depth in a little while. And here we have a 95 Geo Tracker or Suzuki Sidekick on 2 inches of lift with 30-inch tires. Mostly stock, but I have some stuff done to it in the back that I'll show you guys in a minute. So we'll start with a quick walk around of the 87 Samurai. As I said, it is mostly stock. It does have a Raptor liner paint job, as do all three of them, just because they were all rough and needed paint jobs, and I figured this would last the longest and hold up the best off-road. As I said, slightly bigger tires. They are 235 75 15, so about an inch taller in stock, but they fit nicely with no lift, and they do a lot better than the stock tires off-road. Still a work in progress. As you can see, I'm still waiting on some parts, but this is just mostly a stock Samurai. So this one is the more modified one. Obviously, we have bumpers, we have armor, we have lift, we have more armor on the sides, full roll cage inside, front bumper. I have a track bar installed to stop the axle from shifting side to side in the front. We have axle armor, some lighting up front. This does have the Geo Tracker 1.6 16-valve motor, so it has power steering. It is fuel injected, and it does have about 40 more horsepower over stock. And there's another look at that. As you can see, way bigger than a stock Samurai. Probably could drive up the hood of the other one if I really wanted to, but I like that one, so we're not going to do that yet. And then right here we have the 95 Geo Tracker, which is mostly a stock Geo Tracker. You can see that Raptor liner paint job again. This one came out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with this one. I like the color. And then I have the doors removed for the summer. I made these custom mirrors with an adapter. They don't really do much, but they keep it legal because the law says you don't need doors, but you do need mirrors. So there they are. Mostly stock interior. No cage in this one yet. And then in the back is where I've modified this one. I do have a full video of that if you're interested in seeing it. This one, I have cut the back off. They're usually open in the back like the Samurais if you're not familiar, and they'll have a hard top or soft top over that. This one, I cut all those brackets off and cut everything off, and I made a back windshield along with some back metal to enclose the cab fully. And this is now a mini pickup truck. It is fully closed off in the back. The interior is not fully finished yet, as you can see, but the outside's mostly done. And I also fabricated this headache rack, a roll bar with the KC lights on it, whatever you want to call it. And there is the Geo Tracker. So there's just a quick video of the three Suzukis all online. If you guys are curious about anything I've done to them or have any questions, feel free to throw me a comment and I'll probably answer. So that's going to be it for today. Thanks for watching, and peace out, everybody.